Good morning, everyone. Wanda DiPaolo here from Bristol, Rhode Island. It's Sunday morning, guys, and I woke up with a heavy heart today for a lot of my friends around the world, for the people suffering right now. So I just want to pray with you so we can start our day. Dear Father, I lift the people up. I lift everybody up, Father. I lift the doctors. I lift the nurses. I lift the EMTs. I lift everybody up, Father, that is out there in the healthcare profession. I ask you to protect them, Father. I ask you to give them courage. Give them strength to get through the day, Father. I pray for the sick. I pray for the lonely. I pray for the people that are homeless. I pray for the people that are weary and the people that are scared. I pray for everybody, Father, in the world. Everybody, every single person, Father. Do not leave a soul out all the way around the world. Protect them, guide them, provide for them, Father. Teach them to have a kind heart, to be kind, Father, to one another, not to be angry and bitter and resentful, Father, for what's going on. Yes, Father, and I pray for the loss, for all the people that have died, for all the people in ICU suffering. I pray for the families, Father, to comfort them, Father, to just give them comfort, Lord. Wrap your arms around the hurting people in the world today. And I pray this in Jesus' name. Guys, if you prayed that prayer with me, you know what? God hears our prayer. You know, I'm not afraid of my faith. I'm a prayer warrior. April 4th, we have a prayer going on for people everywhere around the world. I ask you to join. I ask you to, you know what? Come out of your comfort zone, guys. Put your guard down. You know, I know we may not understand this. It's the invisible enemy. It really is the invisible enemy, and each and every one need to do our part. We need to, take our own personal actions to make things better. You know, just simple things, guys. You know, simple things. You know, cleaning your doorknobs, cleaning your steering wheel, cleaning your using gloves when you're handing money. When you go to the stores, guys, you're touching the carriage handles. Wipe them. If you cough, cover your mouth. You know, practice social distancing, right? 6 feet away. Not only are you protecting yourself and your friends and your neighbors, but you're protecting everybody. And one thing I learned a long time ago is that this world is just not about me. It's about others. So I bless you. I bless, God bless each and every one of you. And you are all in my prayers. So guys, together we can make a difference. So I love you. I appreciate you. Keep your eyes out today, guys. I'm going to be sharing an important video. A friend asked me, well, how do you manage children and work a business at home? So keep your eyes out for that, guys. And I love you and I appreciate you and have a blessed day.